20%. Okay. I mean, how?
Anyway, welcome to Shut Up and Drink Reviews. Today we have two cocktails. We are going to be doing the Hornitos. Oh, it just says the Margarita.
I like it.
The Hornitos the Margarita.
It makes me feel sassy.
Made with plata, tequila, triple sec, and natural flavors.
Yes.
3.75, or not 3.75, 375 milliliters, so about 12.6 ounces. And then our second one we'll be tasting will be the Mai Tai from Cruzon Rum, made with exclusive rum blend and natural flavors. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna take a taste, and we're gonna also do a little bit of an
Investigation.
Is investigatory a word? Because it should be.
It is now, if it's not. All right, here we go.
Investigatory one.
That's pretty clear.
It is. It's pretty. Okay, so got these at Whole Foods Market. This is made by Hornitos, which is a very well-known tequila brand. Apparently, it was founded back in the 1950s by Sauza Tequila, made in Guadalajara, Mexico. Not sure where it's gone since, but it's a brand. It's a big brand, and this is their take on a ready-to-drink cocktail.
Yeah. If we ever say RTD, that means ready to drink. Now for the fun part. Let me get my radio voice going. There we go. One of the most recognizable and sought after cocktails in the world, the Margarita offers a perfect balance between tequila, tart lime flavors, and triple sec. We set our... Sorry, I need glasses.
I have glasses, I need better glasses.
We set our Margarita apart from the crowd with Hornitos Plata Tequila. It's pretty, well, first off, it's kind of light.
It's a really beautiful bottle, and it's beautiful packaging.
It is nice packaging.
It's also expensive. It's by far a step up. This is almost 3 times the price.
Yeah, this is...
It's $11.99.
So on Drizzly, Drizzly and at Whole Foods, I believe it's $11 a bottle.
Yeah.
And I forgot their catchphrase they put at the bottom. Here we go. Bringing the bar to you.
Oh.
I like that. Okay, let's taste it.
Smell it. Off the bat, it looks yummy. I could use a salt rim.
I don't smell anything.
I totally smell something, and I know already what it's going to taste like.
There we go. I had to get my nose in it.
It's alright. Okay, let's give her a sip. Cheers.
Cheers.
Down the hatch. Okay. Oh, okay.
Sorry, long pause.
We talked about the packaging, love that, love the look. The first taste is not bad. I taste the booze.
Yeah.
I taste the tequila. I feel like I'm drinking something that has liquor in it.
Yes.
That's always a bonus for me.
For me, it tastes like Hornitos tequila. They have a very specific flavor in that it just tastes like that.
It does. It does, and it still has the sweet and sour mix vibe, but not the look. And it's tartar.
This is much tartar. Yeah.
So I can get down with that, even though the tart. Listen, it's shelf stable. It's a shelf stable product. You can only go so far with how fresh limey it's going to taste.
Yeah. It has for me. It does have lime tartness and like the acid content. It does. It's sour.
I feel like there's citric acid in here.
But there's most likely citric acid in it, or like phosphoric or tartaric or something like that. I can taste the tequila. It definitely, it doesn't taste like lime, but it doesn't taste like straight sweet and sour.
No, it tastes like a margarita that if you don't say, hey, I want a skinny margarita at like any kind of traditional bar across the country, it's kind of what you're gonna get.
If I got poured this at any restaurant, at like it was like their like house margarita,
yeah.
and like
okay.
I'm like, that's fine. It's a margarita.
It's
drinkable. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet.
This doesn't taste like it came from an RTD bottle or can. This actually tastes like someone made it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm kind of impressed by this one.
I like it. I like the color. If this had a salt rim on it and a squeeze of lime, I'd be pretty happy.
Salt. I like 50-50 salt sugar. I like sweet and salty.
Okay, good to know. Noted.
All right. So, what are the drawbacks of this?
For me, it's the price point, number one. I mean, it's 12 ounces, so I mean, you're definitely sharing. You know, like you have a few servings in here.
Yeah.
So you could, even though the bottle's small, you could call it somewhat of a multi-serve.
Also, one thing we should
mini multi-serve.
should talk about though, this is 20% alcohol.
Yeah.
This is a 40 proof bottle. The other ones were 8%
Yeah.
or lower.
Yeah.
So
It was 8 or like 10.
So this is almost 3 times as much alcohol per bottle.
Yeah.
So we have to take that into account when we talk about the price point.
Yeah, but I think for the quality of it and for the fact that it is kind of higher in alcohol content, you have to. I don't know. We're not going to do the math because we all know how not good at that I am on the fly. But I feel like in comparison, there's like twice as much. So you know, like the Cutwater and the Laughing Glass were $3.99 for whatever a bottle. But this is twice as much. So you're kind of close in terms of the price point.
Right,
you have to commit.
If you're on the run, you know, and you need some cocktails at the house, great choice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other downside for me is it's still missing. It's missing the lime.
I agree. There's nothing that you can like substitute that fresh lime.
Citric acid doesn't have a flavor per
tart.
se. It's just acid. Let's see.
To me, I mean, there is a slight downside in flavor just because I make so many skinny margaritas on a weekly basis.
You know, another thing.
It's still a ready to drink cocktail.
I think honestly, I think it could taste a little boozier at 20%.
Yeah, but like, let's say we both just down this and see how we feel in 10 minutes, and then mask it nicely.
It may be masked really nicely, and the next reviews can be fucking amazing.
Yeah, we don't just do one, guys. It gets funner as we go on.
A negative, the nose on it.
It tastes better than it smells.
It has almost a Sprite syrup smell to it, and
like squirt.
Squirt, yeah, it smells like squirt. It smells like squirt.
I've never drank squirt, but
I don't drink soda, but I fucking love squirt.
Well, there you go.
But yeah, no, that's what it smells like. It smells like squirt. I don't know if that's a negative or a positive. Maybe for nostalgia purposes, it's positive. But for a margarita, it's kind of a negative.
Yeah. Yeah, for like clean margarita. Okay, so I know what I'm going with. I'm happy to go first.
Go ahead.
Always. I think I'm going to land around a 5.6.
5.6. Ooh.
That's good for me.
That is good for you. That's almost like a full 1 up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 6.1.
I knew you were going to do that.
I'm gonna go 6.1.
There's a telekinesis happening.
But as far as just like a straight lime margarita that is all the RTDs have on there, like lime margarita. Yeah. As far as just a basic margarita, this is good. I wouldn't if you pour this to me, I'm not gonna be fucking upset. I would pay for this at a bar.
You're dealing with like a current chef and a former bartender and people that have refined palates. If I'm tooting our own horns,
yeah,
no one's gonna be upset about it. Thank you, Hornitos.
Yep, thank you. This is a good one.
Beautiful packaging. It's actually nicer than Hornitos' actual packaging.
Yeah,
for their tequila.
Honestly, it is.
It's actually clean, but it does have the
because it's not Hornitos. It's the company's On the Rocks.
On the Rocks.
Yeah. Okay. Next up, we have the On the Rocks Cruise On Mai Tai. Sherry got this for me, obviously, because I drink rum. Right.
Yeah, we're migrating.
As the old tiki adage goes. I really need glasses. Jesus Christ.
He does.
All right,
I'm no better.
I should probably start wearing my glasses. Okay, here we go again.
How about we?
As the old tiki adage goes, what 1 rum can't do, 3 rums can. We blend light and dark rums and combine our unique blend with flavors of orange, pineapple, orgeat, and coconut for the perfect Mai Tai.
So do you pronounce orgeat?
I don't know.
Orgeat is like an almond flavor liqueur, actually. Or you can like home make it. It's not like I don't even know if it's actually boozy.
Ooh, we should make a video. We should make a video where we make orgeat.
Game. But yeah, it's almost like a marzipan like syrup, right? Anyway.
Pretty much. All right, here we go. Out here.
Yeah,
We're on
seconds.
Here.
I am so interested in trying a non-tequila ready-to-drink beverage. Oh, it smells good. Well, see, he's the rum expert here, and probably like the tiki stuff. Like, I'm not a tiki drinker. They're just all usually too fruity and sweet for me. But it smells. I smell a little coconut. I smell pineapple. I smell things that go into a Mai Tai.
The coconut's throwing me off.
Are you not a coconut fan?
No, I love coconut, but coconut's not usually the predominant flavor in a Mai Tai. Yeah.
Is there coconut at all? Isn't there Malibu rum in a Mai Tai? I don't know. I'm like just throwing things out there.
So Mai Tai would be light and dark rum.
Yeah.
Orgeat are the main, like, those are the flavors you're gonna get, and then obviously pineapple juice, orange juice.
Right. Okay.
And
I think some people cheat with Malibu.
Oh, absolutely. No, they
like
100%.
got, like,
it's also
that
like
orangey.
Malibu is just sweet as shit.
I like it.
It's not bad. It doesn't taste like Mai Tai.
I mean, there is a decently heavy coconut vibe, but I like that.
So what are your positives if you get from this?
Okay, so I feel like because I'm not the rum connoisseur here and I do not drink rum drinks, I'm actually going to be like the easy one here to please.
Yeah.
Easy to please because
Definitely.
To me, I'm like, I'm so used to drinking tequila. That this is kind
I'll get you loaded rum by the end of this year.
It depends what it feels like the next morning. That's what she said. Did that make sense?
You can.
Good. No, so I feel like, yeah, I'm definitely easier to please here. I feel like there's a balance. I don't really feel like it's like packaged or shelf stable. It actually tastes kind of fresh to me.
It does taste.
It's cold. It's refreshing.
It tastes very fresh. You can taste the rum.
It doesn't feel heavy or syrupy at all. It
No.
feels like whatever the traditional ingredients that they used for their Mai Tai and their version of a Mai Tai is working for me.
Mm-hmm.
I taste a little coconut. I taste the fruit aspects, the pineapple, the orange, whatever. I have no idea. It doesn't feel super boozy, but I know that it is. Is this 20%?
Just 20%, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, I like
20%.
this.
This is 20% alcohol.
I like it.
Yeah, I mean, I'll mirror you a lot with that. It's very well balanced. It doesn't taste like it came out of a bottle or a can. It tastes like someone made this. It's not too much coconut though. That's what I like about it.
It's almost like a coconut banana aftertaste.
There's definitely like the tropical
banana.
fruit in there, so like banana-y. Because coconut can quickly taste like soap or lotion. Is one of those.
It doesn't.
It doesn't have that
It's
at all.
not
It
floral.
tastes very. It has a floral scent though for me. Like.
Mm-hmm.
I know I'm enjoying it. It's very well balanced. It's a good balanced cocktail, especially for tea. If this was a tiki drink at any restaurant and they didn't call it a Mai Tai, I would be like, this is a delicious cocktail.
It's just called any other name.
Yes. All right.
Okay, so clearly we're working into our downside.
Yes, negatives. For me, a negative actually is negative and positive is the coconut. Mai Tai doesn't have a coconut flavor to it. They just don't. So that's throwing me off a little bit to be calling this a Mai Tai. It's honestly, I'm having a hard time like coming up with other bad things to say about it.
He didn't eat that much today. I think he's a little tipsy, so that's good.
I am
That's
not.
for you. I am.
There is an aftertaste though.
There's a back end aftertaste. I mean, it's still on the sweet side in general.
It is sweeter than I like my drinks.
Yeah, like I could have this as like a starting drink, and I wouldn't get two. I'd move on to something.
But the coconut's throwing me off, and that makes it not a Mai Tai for me.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's missing the depth of flavor from a dark rum. that molassesy.
Well, yeah, but that would also make it sweeter. But yes, it is.
It would get a little
And
more
change
sweetness,
color.
but you would get darker color, but you get that deeper molasses flavor, which is just fucking delicious.
Why am I holding this with 2 hands?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not upset about it, but it's like, yeah, those are the two things that are really like throwing me off on it.
Yeah.
Other than that, I'm actually enjoying it quite a bit.
Yeah. I mean, I'll probably finish this.
All right.
Where are you going with this? I mean,
I'm gonna go. So I went 6-1 for the last one. This one, it's really good. I mean, I'm really.
write down these reviews.
Yeah.
It's not like we're tasting like freaking pizza, people. We're drinking. We gotta like write stuff down. Otherwise, it's in and out. I mean, I have to go back to the video.
I'm gonna go 6-6. 6-6. It's a good number. It's a good cocktail. Just don't call it Mai Tai.
Okay, so yeah, we're rambling. My score. Okay, so I'm trying to take into account the fact that everything we've tasted so far has been tequila, and I'm really hard on tequila drinks.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we're classifying all RTD drinks into one scale. So everything like that, like this is my favorite drink that I've had to date. But I'm also like more of an rum virgin.
Yeah.
Ish. I mean, I drink rum, but it's I just don't go to it.
I always
So
go to
taking
rum.
all of those things into account, let's see. I'll say 6-3.
6-3. Ooh. So going high. That's a high
That's
one.
my highest
Yeah.
score.
This is our highest score.
It's better than all those tequila drinks I've had.
These are fucking good. They're
On the rocks, baby.
these are the best ones we had so far. Yeah.
Yeah, you're committing on the price point a little bit, but they're tasty.
So
Get them ice cold.
the ones we had before so far were like $5 a can,
$3.50, $4.50.
like $3.54.
Yeah,
like,
3 to
so under
4
5. Like they were like
Under 5.
three. We'll say 3 to 5 depending on where you're at. These guys are almost twice the cost, but they also have almost twice the liquor.
And you can buy them individually. Sometimes with some brands, you have to buy 4-pack. And
Yeah.
I don't want to commit to that all the time. So,
Because sometimes they're not good.
ooh, it's going for round 2. Which is really like round 5, just so you're aware where we're really at. Okay, anyways, cheers. Thank you.
Thank you on the rocks.
Very,
this
very
was actually
good.
very good. Cheers.
Very good.
And cheers to you. Clink,
Thank
clink.
you. Like, follow, share, have fun with us.
Cheers.
Yeah, send us suggestions.